Snoring is not just an acoustic problem, but snoring actually is a vibration in the throat, and this vibration can cause the tissue to get damaged, and then you're more likely to get sleep apnea, and also it can be a sign that you actually have sleep apnea. We developed an intelligent bed. This bed monitors the snoring sound in the room. Whenever it detects snoring, it lifts up the upper body so that the airways are clear. When it realizes that the snoring vanished, it goes back to a horizontal position so that you can move freely during the night, which is very important for your sleep. The key scientific challenge is to recognize the snoring sound. If there are other noises, for example a car passing by outside, you don't want to move your user. We are using a machine learning algorithm, and we have conducted a study with several snorers so that we have a lot of snoring noise, and based on this noise and also a noise which we are recording from outside like traffic noise, we train the algorithm to precisely detect the snoring. Industrial collaborations are very important for us. In this specific project, even the idea developed out of a need of the customers of our collaborator Elite, who is located in Lausanne, and their customers actually demanded something that helps them with their snoring problem, and that was how the idea of doing this project came up.